We started Kanyes Dairy Farm in 2018, and what inspired us to start was I developed a medical condition which was not responding. Along the way, I was referred to a Korean trained doctor. She told me to stop eating meat, I eat vegetables, I stop cow milk, watermelon, Irish potatoes. You know, I'm from Kabala, I'm Chiga, loving Irish potatoes so much that I cannot tell you. And then I ended up buying one goat, which was supplying me 1.5 liters of milk. I couldn't consume all of it. I began giving it to my fellow patients. And then I saw the demand was increasing. They kept on asking for milk. And then I saw an opportunity in goat milk, not only to earn me income, but also to improve our lives in terms of boosting immunity. So that is how I started Kanyes Dairy Farm. I added on more goats, and then I began supplying milk, which was a problem, turned out to be a solution to me and others who were struggling with low immunity and very bad allergies, lactose intolerant. That is how I began.
Naina obuzibu bwa pimples. Naina zino actually big pimples. Ntukanise ne bangamba n'okungamba mbu netago okumira empeke ng'obuzibu buva munda. Naye nalina client wange by the way, we staff ako. Naye yangamba lwali lumu nangamba naye uluso n'ofaayo bwe ntandika okujaja ne treatinga eyo face unit leader. Yapa sabuni nampa ne lotion inatandika okwesimba. Mukwano gwange ye wa Kanyes. Naye ekinene nyo kyatwalira ndowooza weeks 2. Ekinene nnyo. Kasikini yange maze otereera. Landabika bulungi.
Many Ugandans don't know about goat milk. So that is the struggle we have been having as a challenge of the farm. But we are happy that the demand is slowly building. We are not looking back, despite the low public awareness, which we are addressing using different channels, social media, television, one-on-one. So we are slowly building a case of a dairy goat project that is very valuable to us in terms of milk production, that helps us in boosting our immunity. Myself, a testimony to that.
Nti abakyala bafa nnyo ku nsusu zaabwe. Omukyala okunywa obunywe amata g'embuzi kyokka kikola ku lususu. Oba toganywedde waliwo lotion ezikolebwa, waliwo sabbuuni akolebwa ng'okumunaaba obunaabi n'obwesiga ekiziga ekyo kiva mu mata g'embuzi kyokka kikumala olususu lwo. Obutwa lambalabe, binnamakula, enkanyanya, ebyo byonna byonna.
From the feeding, we have healthy goats, which we milk to give us milk, fresh milk, which we drink ourselves and also sell to other people. Then we add value to the milk. We produce yogurt. It is here. It's very good with natural probiotics. Then we use the milk to make bathing soap. If you have pimples and they are stubborn, they have refused to go, you use this soap. Within 5 days, the pimples will have dried up. We have lotion, the body lotion made from goat milk and other natural oils. It is paraben free. Goat milk is very good. It has a lot of selenium.
Akantu katono nnyo kakumenya. Lwekyo weetaaga ekintu ekirina amata g'embuzi. Si mwana muto yekka, y'omwana omuto azimba amaanyi g'omubiri, seelu z'omubiri, seelu z'obwongo, naye omukyala weetaaga ekintu ekinaagumya amagumba g'omubiri.
I used to have very many pimples on my face. I used to have bad acne. I was not confident. I had a lot of low self-esteem. I was just at a low point in my life. But ever since I started using goat milk lotion and bathing soap from Kanyes, it changed me completely. It gave my face a whole new look. I am confident. I feel more beautiful than ever.
So Cheso Bagamba, Kanyes products, nunji nnyo ddala. Zirekaako black spots. Lotion ewunya bulungi, first of all. bw'obanga naawe n'ekizibu nga nze bwe nali nja kurecommendinga Kanyes products.
You have dark spots. Trust this product. It will work. The way it worked for me, it will also work for you.
You are contributing to the national development goal of reducing unemployment in the country. As Kanyes Dairy Farm, we employ about 18 people in the different value chain process, thereby creating employment for young people and women, and men also. We give them income, and we contribute to the improvement of their welfare.